Welcome back. Too many incidents occurred in Kolva within the past 1 week. Kolva police have registered an offence against Mickey Pacheco and his wife for violating code of conduct. They have also registered another complaint in murder case of Constancio de Silva. An accused was arrested by the police for outraging modesty of a 2-year-old minor at Kolva beach. Here is a report.
Constancio Miguel de Silva, alias Nazario, was found dead on Sunday in Kolva. He was in a pool of blood in a 3x3 room situated very close to his residence. Kolva police are investigating into the case. They immediately rushed the site with dog squad, fingerprint experts and photographers. The body was then sent to the hospicio for post-mortem. Police informed that the neck of the deceased was slit.
Plus त्याची तकली रनिंग इंजुरी आसल्यो सो ते इंजुरी ऑपरेशन पळोवन आमी मर्डर रजिस्टर केल्या आनी सद्या आमचो क्लू असो आमकां पार्टिक्युलर क्लू मेळोंक ना पण वी आर लिडिंग टू गेट द क्लूज आनी आमकां आशा आसा की ही आमची केस डिटेक्ट जातली कित्याक हेच्या पयलीं आमी 2 मर्डर केसी डिटेक्ट केल्या ह्या 22 दिसांक आनी आमकां आशा आसा की आमचे सुपरचे मार्गदर्शन आनी आमच्या स्टाफाचे मेहनतीचेर आमी ही डिटेक्ट करतले अशें.
On the other side, Mickey Pacheco and his partner Viola are charged for violating code of conduct. On 18 January, they held a meeting in Bethel Bati without seeking permission of the authorities. Police informed that they also violated sound pollution norms. There were about 140 people for the meeting. They also kept food items at one Rosario Fernandez place. Police have registered an offence in this regard.
So it amounts to the violation of code of conduct. So आमी मिकी तेची मिसेस आनी ज्या घरांचे फूड पॅकेट्स मेळ्ळे रुजार कायतान फेर्नांडीस यांच्या नांवान आनी बाकीच्या लोकांचेर काल ऑफेन्स केला अंडर सेक्शन 171E and 188 of IPC and read with 34 for common intention.
Meanwhile, a mother of a minor girl complained to the Kolva police of rape on young girl of 2 years. She was outraged at Kolva beach on 20th January. The minor was sent for medical checkup where doctors confirmed evidence of penetration. The police immediately swung into action and arrested one Santan Fernandez, aged 25 years. He was working for one water sports company. He is currently in police custody.
आयज आमकां अशी इन्फॉर्मेशन की तो ते सायडीन खंय माजोडा आनी ते सायडीन भोंवता म्हणून सो आमी टीम धाडली सो कोणी सांगलें केटीसी बस स्टँडार तेका कोणी सायड केला म्हणून ते प्रमाणे आमचे पोलीस आनी थोडे लोकल वचून ताका केटीसी बस स्टँड सायडीक धरून हाडलो आयज आनी अरेस्ट केला आतां आमी ताका कोर्टान उबे करतले.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. India competed in the Asian Cup football last year after a long gap of 26 years. This was a big moment for Indian football under the then coach Bob Houghton. Now, going forward, India coach Savya Madera looks determined to maintain the momentum by qualifying for the premier Asian competition to be held in 2015 in Australia. The experienced coach also feels that the recent match against Bayern Munich would have boosted the confidence of the players.
Savio celebrated his promotion to the rank of head coach by masterminding India's triumph in the SAF Cup. Indian team gave a good account of themselves and won the title at home. The next big test for India comes in March in the qualification event for the Asian Cup.
Preparations will start in February because that is the time the I-League will have a break from February 12th to March 25th. So most probably we will be assembling together in February for the tournament in March in Nepal.
Earlier this month, Indian players had a great opportunity to pick up a few lessons from the European giants Bayern Munich in Baichung Bhutia's farewell match. And Savio feels that the players will put this experience to good use.
Overall, we cannot get much from this game, but only thing the players what they can get is a little bit of confidence that they have played against this team, and when we prepare ourselves and we face opponents in the AFC Challenge, I think it will be a bit easier for them.
Talking about the AFC Challenge, the players that you will have at your disposal, what is in your mind? Are you relatively younger or a medium young side? Or you're going to look at players like Renedy Singh and the senior likes like Mahesh Gowdy is gone now, well, Samir Naik and the rest of like Climax and all of them. Are you looking at a seniorish bunch or are you looking at drafting in some youngsters?
No, for sure a lot of youngsters will do come in because this is the time where we need to blood youngsters. although Mahesh has retired, but we still have Climax, Samir, who are there because we need senior players to guide the juniors. It cannot be a totally junior side, but overall it will be a mixture of both senior and youth.
Our video journalist Omkar Falari with sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji.
Girls from Rosary College Navili and St. Xavier's College Mapsa will clash for the Varsity Hockey Championship title on Wednesday. On Tuesday, Rosary College had an easy win scoring 3 goals, while St. Xavier's had an even easier win scoring 6 goals in the semi-finals. The finals are set for Wednesday at the Don Bosco grounds in Panji. The men's finals will also take place at the same venue on Wednesday.
In the first semi-final of the day, Rosary College Naveli took on the girls from Kepes Government College. B. Samia opened the scoring for the Naveli College in the 16th minute. Midway through the second half, Aisha Alvarez scored Naveli's second, and in the 52nd minute, B. Samia scored her second of the match. Rosary College Naveli completed a fine performance with a 3-0 scoreline. In the second semi-final of the day, St. Xavier's College Mapsa took on Government College Sakale. The Mapsa-based college raced ahead in the first half itself, scoring 4 goals past their opponents. Xavier's continued their rout in the second half, scoring 2 more goals. Freya Mendes scored a brace, while Carissa Martins, Kalicia, Pradnya and Karishma scored a goal each. Xavier's College Mapsa won by a handsome scoreline of 6 goals to 0. Here are a few highlights. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fallari from Panji.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us @PrudentGoa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. Keep watching Prudent Media. Take care and goodbye.